Experiencing problems with your Metro by T-Mobile home internet? Here's how to diagnose and fix common issues. First, power cycle your Metro gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds. This resolves many temporary glitches. Next, check your signal strength using the T-Mobile app. Aim for at least 3 bars. Weak signals often cause intermittent connectivity. Ensure your gateway is placed in a high, open location, away from interference like microwaves or concrete walls. If the signal is consistently weak, consider purchasing an external antenna to boost reception. Hardware malfunctions can also be the culprit. If power cycling doesn't work, reset the gateway via the T-Mobile app or consider replacing it if it's under warranty. If problems persist, contact T-Mobile support for assistance. Automated reboots are common fixes, but prolonged issues necessitate customer support intervention. Let's dive deeper into fixing specific issues with Metro by T-Mobile Home Internet. For weak signal problems, remember Metro uses cellular signals, which can be affected by weather and network congestion. If you're in a rural area, expect lower speeds and potential blackouts during storms. An external antenna can significantly improve reception. For setup complications, double-check that your SIM card is correctly placed in the gateway. If you encounter app glitches during setup, try again or use the web portal. Ensure the gateway is receiving power and that all cables are securely connected. If your gateway is failing, firmware updates are often rolled out to improve stability and reduce outages. Check for and install the latest firmware through the T-Mobile app. If all else fails, a factory reset might be necessary, but remember to back up any custom settings first. Be aware that Metro prioritizes data after 22 gigabytes of usage, which can cause speed throttling.